Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can free up RAM on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to save some RAM and optimize the usage of RAM, the first thing that we can do is disable live wallpapers. So if you use a live wallpaper that is obtainable through the settings, or for instance if you use live wallpapers from TikTok, you may want to change them to something static. So let's switch the wallpaper over here. In this case, of course, I use the dynamic one, but we can go to create it and then choose something that is not something that is not animated. So let's say I'm gonna choose this app, and then I'm gonna set it for the home screen and lock screen. So of course, this is one thing that we can do. Another thing that we can do in order to free up some RAM is to go to settings. Then we want to go to apps. Then in the apps, if we scroll down, we have app battery usage, and over here we'll find all apps available on our smartphone. And over here we can choose app that we tend to use a lot. So let's say I can choose TikTok. Then on TikTok I can choose how much battery can be used by this specific app. So over here we have unrestricted, so we can allow battery usage in background without restrictions. We can also optimize the usage of the battery, and of course the restricted use. Although it says the battery usage, it also takes some RAM as well, so you might want to set it to restricted if you tend to use the TikTok app a lot, let's say TikTok of course, or any other app. While being in the same menu, we can also force stop apps that we don't use at the specific moment. So we can force stop them over here by tapping this button and then press OK, and we can do that with every app. In fact, if we go back and go to see all apps, then of course we can do this with now all apps. So if we go to Facebook, we can force stop it as well. Now, of course, this depends if the app is actually running. If not, then this button will be disabled. Now, while we are in all apps, so once again, if you go to apps and then tap see all apps, now we can go through some of the apps that we tend to not use at all. So let's say I can go to, I don't know, like motor feedback. And if I go there, over here I have the option to disable this app. We can disable this app if I'm certain that I don't want to use it at all, and then I will not be bothered by this app, and the app will not use any RAM at all. So you can go through the list and try to find apps that are not really necessary in your opinion. And the next thing that we can do is go back to the settings, and over here we want to go to accessibility. In accessibility we can go to color and motion, and now over here we can remove animations. So over here, if you tap on remove animations, then of course we will have no animations at all. As you can see, everything, almost everything, opens up and closes really quickly because there are no animations. So if you don't like that, and if you prefer to save some RAM, then you can do that. You can enable this option. And last but not least, we can also enable, sorry, not enable, but remove all background apps. We can stop them. So if you use the 3-button navigation, then tap on this button over here. By doing so, you'll open all apps that you are running in the background. So you want to clear them all for once in a while, of course. And as you can see, you will see how much memory you will release. On the other hand, if you use the gesture to navigate on your phone, then you need to swipe from the bottom somewhere to the middle and then keep holding it until you see the background app. So let's do that. There we go. And now we have the same option. And now we can free up the memory. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!